Namaste and welcome to the Transformation Emergence Mega Series. And I am your host Sonal Singhal, a techie turned a holistic healer and a transformational coach. And today I am going to talk on the topic of aligning with your purpose. And as this series is focused on holistic wellness, this topic came out to me naturally, because I believe that if one is aligned with his purpose, then his overall well-being is taken care of it by itself. So I want to ask you, what do you understand by the term alignment? The term alignment to me means balance and harmony. I also believe that we are divine souls who has taken physical form, and this physical form or the physical body is made of 5 elements of nature, which are earth, water, fire, air and ether. And as such, these 5 elements of nature are non-living, but there is something within us which is conscious. We can call it a life force which is making us alive, and this life force is fully conscious. And this conscious life force interacts with our body through our mind by means of thoughts. So here our mind is acting like an interface between our body and our soul. And our mind, it has both conscious and unconscious parts. And because we are always engrossed with our logics or intellect, that we are because of our involvement in outer world, we undermine the power of our unconscious mind. This unconscious mind is like a hidden reservoir of feelings, thoughts, urges and memories, which are outside of our conscious awareness. So I feel that in order to get aligned with our purpose, we need to get in touch with our unconscious mind. And how do we do that? That's a good question to ask. So one can get in touch with the unconscious mind. Definitely for that, we need to silence our conscious mind. And of course, we need to make conscious efforts initially to learn this art, which requires your commitment and consistency both. There are many techniques, for example, yoga or meditation, by which also people are trying to silence their conscious mind. However, there are some blessed souls to whom this art came naturally. So as our soul is fully conscious, we can call it pure and blissful. And so it is important for us to understand that our mind is something which is making difference in our life, and that's how we are different from each other. So if our mind is healthy and aligned with our soul, then we can say that we are aligned with our purpose and we are living a blissful life. And also, whatever is showing up in our physical bodies in the form of disease, discomfort or pain, any unhealthy system, it is not because of some external event, but it is all because of the games which our unconscious mind is playing with us. Now, one can argue with me that external events like an accident, a war or anything has like such type of incidents has nothing to do with our mind. But believe me, even such events we are attracting and creating through our mind only. So it won't be wrong to say that we are the creators of our lives. And once we become aware of our power of creation, then in every way we become responsible too for whatever happens in our life. Now I want to share with you my story to explain this better. I don't know if you are aware that I am a civil engineer with a doctoral degree, and I have been highly dissatisfied with myself. It's not the case now, but now when it used to be before, but now when I look back, I cannot find anyone responsible for this. It was only me who was not following her heart and mind, and my mind was playing games with me. So I was just following my mind, without questioning my choices. I also want to highlight here that, our heart, whenever our heart speaks, understand that it is our soul is speaking to us, and whenever our brain conveys the messages, it is coming from our mind. So for long time, I was ignoring myself and I never questioned my choices. And there was a limit, there is a limit to everything. And I reached a limit because my mental suffering and my physical pain became so much, it was out of endurance. So so I suffered from unexplainable physical pains. Then my heart spoke to me, and my heart spoke to me and asked me to surrender. And this time, I had no choice other than listening to my heart. So I quit my job to follow my heart. And you will not believe me that up to now I can say that I am living a fulfilling life. After quitting my job, I learned, I got many opportunities to learn various techniques. So I made a conscious choice of, I selected few approaches and I learned few techniques. And through these techniques, I learned few techniques, and these techniques which I learned after making conscious choices of listening to my heart. So these techniques which I learned equipped me with the required tools to become master of my mind. And in my case, I cannot say that all these things or all these events happened overnight, because from very early age I was seeking answers to life's deeper questions. But it seems that it was necessary for me to travel this path to reach that point of unbearable pain in my life, to get in connection with the higher truth. Now I understand that no matter what you achieve in your life, it will be futile if you're not aligned with your purpose. And the purpose is to be in alignment with your soul. So the question is, how to get in alignment with your soul? Also, how will you know that you are in alignment? It is easy to feel that because it is a feeling. So it is easy when you are in alignment, you can feel it, because if you are feeling ease with yourself and everything around you, and you are joyful no matter what, so this is the time you can say that you are aligned. And I am sure that you must have experienced these type of moments in your life, here or there. So now coming back to aligning with our soul, and for that I am going to suggest some exercises, actually 2 exercises to you. So my main idea is to teach you to connect with yourself and not to get distracted with the external world or the external events, because it is important to connect with ourselves to align with your purpose. So I want to write down or make a list of things that you wanted to do in your life but have been postponing or avoiding to do, and you have labeled them as something unimportant. Now after you make this list, just look at the list and prioritize the task or the activity that you feel is the dearest to you. And it is easy to prioritize, because when you look at the list, you will know which one is most dear to you, and it will easily jump out to you. Now here comes the fun part. You need to close your eyes, and you need to, so now you know the first now you already set up your priority, so you know which one to focus on. So close your eyes and visualize yourself doing this activity or the task, at least 3 times in a day. So you need to imagine yourself, you are busy with that activity, you are doing it. So how now you will ask me how long I should do this exercise. You need to do this exercise or repeat this visualization until you are convinced to do this activity in your real life. So this is my number 1 exercise. Now you may ask me, what is the purpose of doing this simple exercise? So let me ask you, what is the cause of uneasiness in your life? It's very easy to answer, because the uneasiness is caused because you are not doing those things which which will bring or which can bring joy in your life. So these are the moments, we are experiencing our life as life. So it is important to get involved into something which you really like. Now another exercise which I'm going to tell is going to help you get back in alignment is facing your fears. I have read somewhere that beyond your greatest fears lies your greatest treasures or greatest fortunes. So, I am experiencing this myself. Although I have done very well academically, I always used to think that I cannot speak in public. And if someone is going to ask me, what is your greatest fear? Then I would definitely say, like it is public speaking. And definitely, there are many other fears too, in the bucket. But number one fear was fear of public speaking. In my case, I did not do any exercise, but the situation became like that I had to surrender to life. And I was ready to face whatever was coming up to me. So, I realize that how life has given me or thrown opportunities to me to overcome my fear of public speaking in the form of virtual interview series and Facebook lives. And this fear of public speaking was coming in the way of my deep desire, because I was having a deep desire to share my thoughts with the world. And with doing my typical job, I was not doing any favor to me. So you see, my deep desire, which was sharing my thoughts with the world, and my greatest fear of public speaking, both were connected. Don't you think it is amazing? Now I want you to practice second exercise. So in this exercise, I want you to face your deepest fear. So you need to give yourself some time and just write down your greatest or the deepest fear, because writing really helps in getting your inner conversation out. So make some simple but powerful strategy so that you have to face your greatest fear. So now already you know what is your greatest fear. Now you need to prepare a strategy, because trust me that fears are nothing but they are the lies that we are telling to ourselves again and again. And these fears are like the shadows which are preventing us to get in touch with our original nature. And why I am saying fears as shadows? Because shadows are lies, so fears are also lies. And you need to figure out what other lies you are telling yourself to bind yourself. Come on, you can work on your lies. I think it's high time that you need to figure out first your lies, and then you need to work on it, and then you will be very happy. And I am sure that you want to share your story with me one day. So really, if after listening to this talk, if you do the simple exercises which helps you getting in touch with your inner core, then please do let me know, and I'll be more than happy to hear about it. Now, I'm sure that you must be watching this series from the very beginning, and if you subscribed late for some reason, then I will say that don't get disheartened, as starting December 12, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, I am going to release the complete playlist of this amazing series, so that you can watch the content, whatever content that you feel like. And I haven't heard from you, so I'm requesting you that you get in touch with me on the Body, Mind and Soul Healing group. It's the Facebook group, and be part of my community, and also comment on the series related post on what you have gained from this amazing content, because it encourages me to keep doing good work. As now I want to share some good news. It's good for you. So as our generous speakers had opened their hearts and given our listeners amazing transformative gifts, so from my side also I decided to give you something that can contribute in your overall well-being. As I practice energetic releases, and I also want to give you the taste of how transformative these releases are. From my side, I am giving you an audio of 5 elements purification. It's a audio clip of less than 5 minutes, and I want to tell you something about that. So as our body is made of 5 basic elements of nature, earth, water, fire, air and ether. So if we clean these elements on daily basis, our life is definitely going to transform. So do listen to this audio every day, first thing in the morning, for 21 days minimum, and then please share your experience if something changes in your life for good. Also, I am going live on my Facebook group every Tuesday, so do join there, so that you can post your asks for energetic releases, and also you can seek experts advice, as all of my series speakers, the previous series also, these speakers are present on my group, and so you can connect with them and ask whatever queries you have. Also, I'm coming up with my first masterclass on batch flower remedies on December 15, and I invite you all to take part in it. In any case, I'm going to send you the link to join this Zoom call. So even if you don't confirm or commit now, join it if you feel like later. And I am hoping to see you all there. Bye bye. Take care for now, and don't forget to download the speaker freebies from all the speakers, as they will be available only for limited time. Bye.